Hello, my name is Sara LoTemplio. I'm a fourth year CNS student in the psychology PhD program here at the University of Utah. I am here today not just to embarrass myself by having to watch myself on film, but to show you some of the cool spaces we have on campus in CNS and in the department, where hopefully you will come as an incoming graduate student and do some cool science. So I hope you enjoy the tour, and I hope you're amused by me and my lab mate Jack trying to remember how to talk like normal human beings again after 9 months of a pandemic. Okay, so I am here on the 11th floor where the driving simulator is, which is a cool tool that we can use to study distracted driving. And I'll show you. So we're here on the 11th floor. So we have like a full half of a truck in here, and you can simulate driving. So we have Jack in here.
Oh, hi. My name's Jack Silcox. I'm a researcher here.
No, it's good. Keep going.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh, okay, you're rolling right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so here's the simulator. I'm in the Llama lab where we study language. We're working collaboratively with Professor Dave Strader to look at how the amount of effort we exert while we're listening to speech can change our driving behavior.
So this can apply to when you're talking on the phone and you're driving, can it?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Thanks, Jack.
No problem.
Okay, so what I am showing you next is our shared EEG lab space. So anyone in the department can use this, even people outside of the department can use this. Anyone on campus that wants to run an EEG study can use this space. And so it's a really fun, cool, collaborative space that none of us get to use right now because there's a global pandemic. Okay, next I am showing you the 9th floor shared EEG space, which is on the 9th floor. So if you are a participant, you come in here and you get to sit down in one of these nice little chairs, read one of these fancy magazines, and your research assistant will check you in here. We have just wanted to show everybody some artwork made by one of the former graduate students. So these are EEG waves in the shape of mountains. And then come back here. And this is one of our EEG testing rooms. So really cool, awesome science happens in here when there is not a global pandemic. And then this is what we call the control room, kind of like the control center of a spaceship, where you can, except way more boring. We just use this space to watch people's brainwaves and make sure that everything looks okay while the participant is going. And then here is one of the other testing rooms, so we can have double science happening at the same time. Very cool. Our quiet please flyer that we normally put on the outside of the door, some of the undergraduate research assistants made that. I think they did a great job. And then we also have in here our lovely little storage closet, which I have spent a lot of my life organizing. Please admire. So here's all of our EEG caps. So we can put these on people's heads, fill them with gel, look at their brains, do cool stuff. And those are the electrodes and all the other supplies. So yeah, again, the really cool thing about this space, aside from this like creepy head, is that anyone can use it if you fill out an application. And even if you're not a CNS person, not an EEG person, this space is open to you to do some cool science. Okay, so outside of the 9th floor lab, there are some of the graduate student CNS offices. So maybe you run a study in here, and maybe your office is right here, but if it's not, you can come say hi to Jack, who can show you what a CNS office looks like.
Hi, look at this great view.
This is what a CNS office looks like.
And you get an office all to yourself? I don't know if the other areas do that too.
Yeah, well, it's certainly not the case at most of the graduate student places that I toured. Most of them were like 5 people in a basement office. But yeah, you have a nice view, and you can decorate it, and then you also have friends next door.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.